So let's start to define my workshop 2. So this one is income tax dot java, and this one file is java dot menu dot java. So in I learned in this workshop about the arrays, methods, setter and getters, and most importantly I learned the packages that you mentioned in this week. In OOP we are including the files, and we that is creating namespaces, and then it's connected to classes, and then etc etc. So here I like it somehow. If I make one folder, and it's connected through the interfaces packages, so that's nice. Second, I learned in this workshop array, two-dimensional and one single dimensional. However, I'm also learned in this workshop the warning that put in the OOP, no warning in the including statement. So here I learn differently is a super warning, resources, etc. So previous workshop I got the warning input, so I used here in this workshop, but I don't know is necessary or not. And also I learned in this workshop about the format things, is the decimal things, and I take help to see these spaces between the columns, how to do it, that I learned in this workshop. Also I learned main thing about the calculation of taxes. So let's start the sample output. So I will explain like continuously what happening here. So first we are using case 1 here that I put here. So if I run first time and I put here 1, so it's giving me, put the filling status, so it's a single filler, so you are giving a single filler, so I give here 0. So here is enter the amount taxable, so is a 20,000 you are giving this in sample, so it's giving me 2,582. So actually it's working here, it's coming here in dimensional. First is take 8,350 and take the 10% tax, and after that it's minus like in a total amount 20,000 and minus 8,350 and multiply by 15%. So after that limit is increase, so it stopped there and it's giving us like this is your tax. However, in the second case here I learned the concept, the ranging concept, like you are giving like first is 50,000 to 60,000 and it's calculate the tax by through taxable income, singles and joint, married joints and married, separated, head of houses, and it's giving us proper data about the taxes. So here I just call the functions that I make it in income tax here, setter and getters. So in the get income tax I explain are the intervals that we make here. So it's using these intervals, constants like 0, 1, 2 and 3, that is main intervals, using it, and it's taking if else if a statement, nested if a statement, and giving us the different situations output. So if I go to the second output, I print here second command is a 2, So it's giving me enter the amount from, so I am using like your sample amount 50,000 and 60,000. So it's giving me first 2001 data and second is 2009 data. So first I am like confused because I do not get the total amount because I do not put here -1. So I don't know how is it going on. So I use here +1, and then I figure out here if I didn't put anything, so I put here nothing, and then after that I saw one YouTube video and they are putting here I -1, so I put here -1. So my answer is coming good. So in this workshop, in main menu, if I go there, so I created while loop, so it's going to the range and calculate by 1000 and print out there. And also in this third case I use exit, that is you mention in the documents. So third case is exit. So if I press here 3, so it's giving you exit. We see you next year. So basically this is my workshop. So if you have question about anything, so I am putting here my all the contact. So thank you so much.